What's up, guys? Welcome back to Yo, this is Sam and you go not watch. Oh, fuck it. What's up, guys? This is Sam. Welcome back to another video, another YouTube video with you.
And this is Vicky, and welcome back to another video. And this is Sam, and today we're gonna make a video about something special, and that is reading the truck lines.
Reading the truck line.
Yes, the lines behind the trucks.
So basically, in English, Chinese, French.
No, it's in Urdu.
In Urdu, that's
my language. Urdu.
Oh, cool. So guys, we're gonna read some Urdu, and you're gonna love it. It's funny, it's cool, it's really cool.
You need to read the lines in Urdu and I will translate in English for you, okay?
Then you need to be a good translator, man.
Yeah, I will try. Okay. So first line is, you need to read Dil Leja.
Dil Leja.
Nikki Jai haan karke.
Nikki J Karje.
Yeah, good job. So say a little yes and I will give you my heart.
That's so funny.
So next one is main bada ho kar.
Main bada ho
kar truck banunga. Truck banunga. I will be truck. I want to be a truck in future.
No way. Alright, I want to be a truck in the future. That's so funny.
Next one is प्यार कैसे करूं?
प्यार कैसे
करूं? तनख्वाह बहुत थोड़ी है. तनख्वाह बहुत थोड़ी है. Okay, so that means how should I love? My salary is very low.
Oh, then don't love, man.
Yeah. Because if you love, you must need a lot of money.
Definitely, guys. If your salary is low, please don't fall in love. I pray.
There is another option. You can find a cheaper girlfriend.
I think, but this one, there is no cheaper girlfriend here in this
China?
one. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Next one is kabhi आओ ना खुशबू लगा के. कभी आओ ना खुशबू लगा के. खुशबू लगा के. That means come to me sometimes. Use the perfume and come to me sometimes.
That sounds like it's romantic.
Like, just get ready, use the perfume, and then just come to me.
No.
Oh my God. Okay.
Good.
Okay, next one. फासला ना रखें. प्यार होने दें. होने दें. Yeah, that's right. So that means don't keep the distance. I mean, like, look. Don't keep the distance. Come closer and keep loving.
Oh, so just like keep loving, guys. I don't know. Okay.
Miru, I don't know how to say. No bachi.
No bachi.
No bachi, no tension.
No bachi, no tension. So this one.
This one means no girlfriend, no tension.
So no girlfriend, no tension.
That means if you don't have a girlfriend, you will be free. Yeah, you will be free. You will not have a tension, any kind of problem.
But
that's right. Is it truth? Yes.
It's not true. It's not true, guys. Go get yourself a girlfriend.
Why, man? If you don't have a girlfriend, then your life will be chill.
Your life's gonna be boring, man.
Oh my God! Don't say like this.
Okay. All right, no girlfriend, no tension. Definitely, that's the
right.
Best. That's right, and that's cool.
Yeah, that's so funny. Okay, all right. Next one. Dil baraye farokht.
Dil baraye
फरोख्त
दिल बराए फरोख्त
कीमत सिर्फ
कीमत सिर्फ
एक मुस्कुराहट
एक
मुस्कुराहट
मुस्कुराहट.
oh yeah my heart is for sale the price is just one smile
My heart is for sale and the price is one small smile. Yeah, cool.
that's a good one. The next one is रुलते गए हैं
उड़ते गए
पर चस बड़ी आई है
परचस
बड़ी आई है
परचस केरी आई
बड़ी आई है
बड़ी
आई है
But I wonder, do you guys have like letters? Urdu? No.
Yeah, we have letters, of course. Like alphabets, we have letters of Urdu.
All right.
Okay, let's say again. रुलते गए हैं
रुलते गए
पर चस बड़ी आई है
परचस केरी
बड़ी आई है
बड़ी आई है.
Yeah, so that means I'm broke, but I enjoyed a lot.
Guys, give me money. I am broke, fucking broke. Give me money. So I am broke
But I enjoyed a lot.
but I enjoy a lot. It's so funny.
Yeah, next one is Papu yaar
Papuya
tang na kar.
Tanganaka.
Kar.
Papuya Tanganaka.
Yeah, so Papu is the name like Sam.
But wait, I love this lady. She's cute.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, so Papu is the name. Papu yaar means friend. Papu yaar tang na kar. That means Papu friend, don't disturb me.
Papu friend, don't disturb me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, next one. Yeah. Darwaza please.
Darwaza please.
होली बंद करें.
Holy bang.
Yeah.
Holy bang.
बंद करें.
Holy bang karen.
Yeah. Please close the door slowly or gently. Yeah.
So please
Close the
the door gently. So guys, if you want to go to Pakistan and you want to ask for maybe to ask someone to close the door gently, politely,
Just say darwaza please.
Darwaza please.
होली बंद करें.
Holy bang karen.
Yeah, good job.
Got this one.
Yeah.
Just say bonjour.
Huh?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Oh, cool. This guy is a Frenchman guy. I've been speaking French with him like for a long time.
Really? I don't even know one word of French.
But you just say bonjour right now.
Bonjour means what?
It just means like morning, good morning.
Oh, wow. Okay, how to say good evening?
Bonsoir.
Okay, alright. Bonsoir, guys.
Yeah, cool.
Bonsoir, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, comment, and don't
And
forget
thumbs up and yeah, like it, comment it, please, and follow, subscribe
to Wiki
Wiki, and see you
in the next video.